Hi, Sarah Banas here. I want to show you today what colors of acrylic can and cannot be cut on a diode laser. So this was cut on my 10-watt X-Tool M2, their new machine, which incidentally I love and highly recommend. Okay, so a couple things before we get started. I want to tell you that I didn't bother testing white acrylic. I also did not bother testing either of the two blues that I had on hand because white and blue really, you can't cut them on a diode laser, so it really wasn't worth the time even to test. So avoid white and blue. They don't cut on a diode laser. Another thing you want to be aware of is that this is cast acrylic. There is a difference in different types of acrylic. Cast is what you're looking for. That's what's going to cut the best on a diode laser, specifically. Really on any laser, but that's what you're looking for. Okay, so I want to show you what did not work first. Okay, so the two colors that did not work at all were purple. This is a fairly light purple. If it were a darker purple, it probably would have cut, but this is a fairly light purple. Probably can't see it in this light. And then the other that did not cut is this pink color. So you can see that it got almost through. It tried really hard. If I flip it over, you can see a little bit of like the outline on the back. It did get almost through, but it did not work on either of those two. And I tried a bunch of different things. I tried slowing it down. I tried upping the power. I had the power all the way at 100. I tried extra passes, and I just couldn't get it through those two colors. So very light purple did not work, and that, like I said, that like was like a dark pink did not work. Okay, so let's go ahead. Now I'll put in the video description the power, speed, and passes that work perfectly on these. So this is yellow. Perfect cut. Power of 100, speed of 2, pass of 2. So I'm just going to pop this off of here. And then, like I said, I'll note all of the different settings in the video description. Okay, so this is red. Also got a perfect cut. The red was power of 90, speed of 3, and 2 passes. If you don't have one of these, you should get one. It's actually a weeding pen for like vinyl cutting, but they were perfect for removing backings too. So this is the orange. Orange also got a perfect cut, and orange was power of 100, speed of 2, and 2 passes. Okay, and then black, of course, cut perfectly. Oops, and black was power of 100, speed of 4, and 2 passes. Perfect cut. Okay, and then this is green, dark green. I'll order some lighter green and try that, but the dark green cut perfectly. Okay, and that was, so just to go back real quick, for these all, I used the automatic settings in X-Tool Studio. So this one was the only one that I had to change the settings. I had to adjust. I had to add an extra pass. So for green, 3mm acrylic. Oh, and I shouldn't mention that. These are all 3mm, so 1/8 of an inch. So for green, it said in their settings it had 95 for the power and 6 for the speed and 4 for the passes. I had to do an extra pass. So I probably could have upped the power or lowered the speed, but either way, at 95 power, 6 for the speed, and 5 passes total, the green cut perfectly. So let's take a look at this real quick. Real quick, before we finish up, I want to say join us on Facebook. So we have a massive collaborative of crafters. Actually, we have probably, you got to be careful you don't scratch your acrylic with this. 3.5 million members or so across our groups. Cricut, Silhouette, Sublimation, Photoshop, laser, everything you can imagine. So I will link our two main laser groups, which are X Tool for Beginners, which is about 120,000 members at this point. Super friendly, super helpful. Join us there. We want you as a member. You'll love it. You'll fit right in. It's a great group. Tons of knowledge too. Also, I'm going to link X Tool M2 for Beginners, which is our new M2 group, specifically targeting M2 users' needs. So if you're an M2 user or you want to get an M2, definitely join us there also. I'll link both of those in the video description. The one thing that I do ask, if this video is of interest to you or helpful at all, like the video. That helps me out a lot with the algorithm, and I really appreciate it. But also follow along. I want you as a follower. We're tons of cool projects, lots of stuff with the M2 specifically right now, but I have a bunch of lasers. So, it won't just be diode. This is a diode laser also, in case you weren't familiar. The M2, this is diode laser cutting. I should have mentioned that in the beginning if I did not. Follow along. We have not only that, but also Cricut, Silhouette, designing for yourself. I'm going to be doing a bunch of videos on how to make your own laser designs. So follow me. And that's it. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.